we getting right on into this because my hair is like, excuse me. Excuse me. I think you use this when you got a little time. This is not for one of those quick wash days. We have the SHESCENTIT Apple Nectar and Rosemary Follicle Boost Treatment Mask with apple extracts and rosemary. For this, it says, this weekly deep condition treatment moisturizes hair while soothing the scalp, infused with apple extract and rosemary oil. It works to stimulate hair follicles, slow shedding, and soothe a dry, itchy scalp. Yes, love that. It says apply to freshly shampooed hair, leave in for 30 minutes, rinse. Very basic, very easy to understand, nothing complicated about that. Let's get this open. Okay, I do like that this has a seal on it. Ooh, look at that color. It almost reminds me of like cotton candy or something. That pink is pink. Nice and creamy, filled to the top. Look at that. That's so pretty. Mixed really good. And looking at it right here, not sticky. Not sticky whatsoever. Let's rub some on. Ooh, this looks nice and rich. It doesn't have as much as a scent as the shampoo, but you can tell it's still in the same line. This is very nice and creamy and rich, and feels like it has plenty, like it will supply plenty of moisture. Yeah, that feels good. That feels like it has a nice slip too. Okay. I'm sure I'm going to get good use out of this. Let me go ahead and, put that back on there. Very nice packaging, nothing slipping out, everything easy to open. There was no spillage whatsoever. So I'm going to rush into this. This is the Apple Nectar and Rosemary Follicle Boost Treatment Mask. So without further ado, we getting right on into this because my hair is like, excuse me. Excuse me. So nice, creamy. Feels good on my hands. Okay. This is not oily either. It doesn't, this is not hitting yet. Okay. You use this when you got a little time. This is not for one of those quick wash days because there's not a crazy amount of slip in this either so far. Now, I'm waiting for it to really break down into my strands. I got some shed hair out. That's good. I'm just trying to wait to be able to pull my hair apart. Well, this is a surprise to me. I don't know. I kind of was expecting for it to have more slip to just help replenish what, or just to help my strands out, since, you know, they were so squeaky. And it's taken me a bit longer to detangle my hair with my fingertips, or with my fingers, than it normally does. And you know, I could put some more product on here. A little bit more on the ends. Okay, that's about as good as it's gonna get. Okay, so I am going to do the rest of my hair. I don't know what my neighbors is doing. I don't know if y'all can hear that or not, but so I'm going to do the rest of my hair, cover it up with a plastic cap, and then cover it with my thermal heat cap. Leave it on for about 30 minutes. It doesn't say use thermal heat, but I do. And again, since my hair was so squeaky, I need this conditioner to just, I need this mask. I need this treatment to get down in there. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, roses. So it's been about 40 minutes. I'll take this off. This is how much I ended up using of this. I used quite a bit, more than I normally use. And let me tell you, it took forever and a day for me to detangle my hair. Now my hair does feel way better than it did, thank goodness. But I think that's due to me putting on that plastic bag and my thermal heat cap, because let me tell you, I didn't know what was going to happen. Okay, so I'm going to wash this out, and I hope and pray that my hair still feels moisturized, because I cannot go back to what it was feeling like. Apple Nectar and Rosemary Follicle Boost Treatment Mask did not have as much slip as I had hoped for. To go from something that is so stripping to try to replenish that, it would have been nice to have more slip. I actually would have liked a little bit more oil on it, because even after I wiped the treatment mask off of my hands still felt like all the oils were stripped from it, basically. So yeah, I had to go in and wash my hands, and I put on lotion twice. So that's interesting. But my hair definitely feels soft right now. It feels like I did put a mask on it. I didn't know it was gonna get there, but it did. Okay, roses, all done. I'm so glad that's over. So my hair is feeling normal again. I can freely touch my scalp. I think my scalp is nice and clean. And this treatment mask did bring some moisture back after I feel it really started doing this thing, after I put the plastic cap on and put on my thermal heat cap. I think that's what made the difference. So now